You just finished lunch. You're not hungry at all. But then someone puts a piece of chocolate cake on the table in front of you, and suddenly you want it. You don't need it. You want it. Why does that happen? Why does sugar have this weird, almost unfair grip on your brain? The answer isn't laziness. It isn't weakness. It's millions of years of evolution, and it's been sitting in your DNA the whole time. Let's go back, way back. Picture your ancestor, not your grandfather, not even close. We're talking about a human-like creature wandering the East African savanna roughly 200,000 years ago. No grocery stores, no fridge, no DoorDash. Food was unpredictable. Some days you found berries, some days you found nothing. And here's the key thing. Ripe fruit is loaded with sugar. Sugar means calories. Calories mean energy. Energy means survival. So the human brain evolved a very simple rule. If it's sweet, eat as much as you can, as fast as you can, because tomorrow there might be nothing. This wasn't gluttony. This was smart. This was survival. When you eat something sweet, your brain releases dopamine. That's the feel-good chemical. And here's the thing about dopamine. It doesn't just make you feel good. It makes you want to do it again. Scientists at Princeton University found that sugar triggers dopamine release in the same brain regions as cocaine. I'm not saying sugar is cocaine, but your brain? Your brain does not make that distinction very clearly. And just like any reward system, the more you use it, the more you need. A little sugar starts feeling like nothing. You need more and more. Sound familiar? Now, here's where it gets interesting. Not all sugars hit the same. There's glucose, which your body uses for energy pretty efficiently. And then there's fructose. Fructose is the sugar found in fruit, and also in high-fructose corn syrup, which is in basically everything processed. Here's the problem with fructose. It doesn't trigger the "I'm full" signal the same way glucose does. Glucose tells your brain, okay, we're good, stop eating. Fructose kind of doesn't. It bypasses the satiety system. Your ancestors found fructose in seasonal fruit. They ate it in huge amounts when it was available because winter was coming. Their bodies stored it as fat for the lean months. This was genius for them. For us, we have fructose available 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, in every corner store, in every soda, in every healthy juice box. And your brains still think winter is coming. In 1700, the average person consumed about 4 pounds of sugar per year. By 1800, it was 18 pounds. Today, the average American eats roughly 57 pounds of added sugar every single year. That's a bag of cement worth of sugar every year in your body. Food companies figured this out decades ago. Make it sweet, make it cheap, make it everywhere. The science of bliss point, the exact sugar-salt-fat ratio that makes food literally irresistible, was engineered in labs. This was not an accident, and the tragic irony is your brain is doing exactly what it was designed to do. It's working perfectly. It's just working in an environment it was never designed for. So what do you do with this information? First, stop blaming yourself. You are not weak. You are not broken. You are running ancient software on a very modern planet. Second, understand your enemy. Added sugar hides everywhere. Ketchup, bread, salad dressing, even healthy granola bars. The food label is your weapon. Read it. Third, and this is the one that actually works, eat the fruit. Real fruit. The fiber in whole fruit slows down fructose absorption. Your body handles it the way your ancestors' bodies were built to handle it. The wrapper your ancestors ate their sugar in, it was a peel. Your brain is not broken. It's just ancient, and understanding that actually changes how you relate to cravings. Instead of "I failed again," you think, "My 200,000-year-old brain just saw a mango and panicked a little." Fair enough. So the next time you reach for something sweet without knowing why, now you know why. You're not weak.
You're not broken. You're the result of 100,000 years of humans who survived because they loved sugar. They passed that love down to you across every generation, all the way to this moment, right now, as you watch this video and probably think about chocolate. If you want to know why cheese is basically engineered to be addictive, that video is right here. And if you want to understand how modern humans became the first species to voluntarily overeat themselves into illness, that one's here too. Same channel, same ancestors. See you there.